Many people would like to start a business or get a second income stream going and just don't know where to begin. And fortunately, I have been part of several startups and have written something called the Business Startup Blueprint. And it takes all of the trial and error things that I learned, putting them into practice in writing down those things that you need to be aware of and do to be successful as you develop either a new income stream or start your own business. And the categories are including everything from why you're wanting to do it. Obviously, logically, for most people, it is to have another source of income. For many people, they've been an employee most of their life, if not all of their life, and just have no idea where to begin. So it covers, the various types of businesses, how you pick a business name, the branding, the things you need to consider when you're choosing even the colors, the font, the design of your logo, your money mindset. That is key as a startup and entrepreneur to have a good, healthy relationship with money. The structure of your startup, the legal entity, your finances and accounting, the process and the steps you need to go through from getting incorporated to opening your business bank account, keeping your funds and income separate from the expenses of the business. Then marketing, obviously finding customers, making sure you know who you're going after, what your pricing is, and how are you going to let people know that you're in the market. Operational systems, anything you can automate, and processes that you can use to streamline the time that it's taking you to do whatever it is that you're doing or offering the marketplace. That is key to being successful. Knowing the tools that are available, there are so many things that are available now that can help streamline many of the processes and things that you need to do. Whatever you're not good at, outsource. That is the number one rule of thumb. And getting started, the first step is just educating yourself and taking that first step. So I have the free business blueprint. It's available for download. So you can just download it once you click the link, go and get your copy.